What if I told you the most famous camper of the 60s just came back from a full-body reincarnation and looks younger than my neighbor Timmy claims to be on his dating profile? And what if that same bus now drives better than it did in 1967? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I first saw this 1967 Volkswagen Type 2, I felt the same excitement my neighbor Timmy gets when he spots an unguarded barbecue grill. I believe this VW camper still carries that wild spirit charm that made the 60s look like one long road trip. And trust me, Timmy would have absolutely tried to camp in this thing even before the restoration. Now, this split-window camper went through a full multi-year refurbishment, and I liked the most how they didn't cut corners. The whole body was stripped to bare metal, media blasted, and rebuilt with fresh panels and rust repair. Then it got that two-tone yellow and white finish that screams "Take me to the beach" in at least 2 languages. The bumpers with overriders, new trim, fresh weather stripping, and safari-style front windows complete the vibe. Underneath, this beauty rolls on 14-inch steel wheels with bright hubcaps and Hankook Vantra LT tires. The suspension was overhauled, the steering box rebuilt, and braking now comes from Empi front discs with rear drums. Stainless steel lines were also added. I think the handling is probably the best it has ever been in its life, which for an old VW bus is saying something. Inside, the refreshed cabin brings grey cloth upholstery, new foam inserts, sliding and vent windows, an Empi shifter, and proper seat belts. The rear opens up to Birch paneling, storage compartments, a folding table, a rear-facing jump seat, a bench, and a bed that I believe is more comfortable than the one I crashed on at a friend's house last summer. Total odometer mileage is unknown, but it shows 1,800 miles since its reset in 2016. Powering this cheerful box is a replacement 1,776cc flat 4 installed in 2015, paired with a 4-speed Freeway Flyer transaxle. It features an Empi 2-barrel carburetor, a W110 camshaft, 042 high-flow heads, a remote oil filter, replacement axles, plus an upgraded fuel and electrical system. It may not break speed records, but it will get you where the sunsets are better. As of now, the current bid stands at USD $21,000, which is roughly 19,500 euros depending on the day. For a fully refurbished 1967 split window, I think that's a price many enthusiasts would happily chase. And remember, if you want to support the channel, you can become a sponsor for just $1. That's right, $1. Even my buddy Carl can afford that, and he once tried to trade an empty propane tank for lunch. The sponsorship link is in the description under the video.